boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, 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 get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device, my friends. Since it's been a big week in the market. I mean, coronavirus really, has taken things down. The market itself had a bad week, and it's all due to what we think is coronavirus. Now, will this continue? Who knows? My friends, you know, I'm an author. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm not a financial advisor. The Scoop is for your entertainment and your education only, my friends. I can tell you what I think, what my opinion is, but I can't tell you what's really going to happen in this big market, my friends. Anyway, I'm on location today. One thing that I did today is I went over to MedMen. Now, MedMen, they were kind of a little snotty. There were some issues there with MedMen. As you know, yesterday, Adam was relieved of his duties, the CEO, and now the COO is the primary point person there. But MedMen has announced leadership changes. Now, we did a show about 4 days ago, and we were telling you about MedMen using stock to pay their bills. They're in trouble. So they were using stock to pay their bills. So it's been an issue with them. The stock did respond today. It's up. It was up early on Friday. It did respond, and we'll see if that continues. If the overall market continues to be in the crapper, which one day, 2 days, a week or so, does not make a bear market in the overall market, we are leaning in that direction, my friends. Couple of updates on our stocks. As you know, we were waiting for OWCP to fill a gap, OWC Pharmaceuticals to fill that gap. As we stay above that gap area for longer and longer and longer, then the longer we stay above, the less chances that we're going to fill that gap. The risk of us filling that gap kind of dwindles. The percentage kind of dwindles. So we'll see how that goes. If it goes up over 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is basically my cutoff there, 10, 11, just like it was with Hive Blockchain Technologies, even though Ethereum and Bitcoin and all that group is rising up. We'll see how that goes, depending on, risk on risk, and on top of that, gold also, my friends. One of our books, Marijuana Today, Vanadium, Uranium Tomorrow, companies to get into, hold, and grow rich. I'm going to tell you about one of our gold stocks, and I've told you it's at the very bottom there. That stock was roughly 8 cents when I gave it to you. It's closed today, it's over 50 cents. So we'll see how that goes, my friends. Congratulations to you that did go up and get some of those shares on that. But gold over 1550 and holding is a good thing for the market, my friends. My friends, I did run across D-Money. Now, D-Money is a truck driver, as you know. I've mentioned him on the show. There's a lot of truckers out there that listen to The Scoop, and I enjoy having them on my show. And I ran across him earlier, and I was wondering if he'd be kind enough to have a couple words with me, because I've discussed with him before some of the issues facing the market. And I've said before, some of the best CEOs right now, some of the best executives in this business, some of the best workers in this business are in prisons. They're in the jails of America, my friends. The CEOs are the best, very best people. And he knows the situation intimately because he's been investing, and he knows that some of these CEOs and some of these people that he's talked to in the past are not really cutting the mustard, just like those over at MedMen. And MedMen switching. A lot of companies will be doing that. I say roughly, he'd say higher, but I say roughly as many as 50% of the CEOs and presidents and vice presidents aren't even qualified to be there. He'll tell you why. But D-Money, coming over here in a second. Come on over here, D-Money. Come on over here. Let me talk to you a second. Welcome to the show, brother.
How you doing?
Glad,
How you doing?
glad to
Good
have
to
you.
be
Glad to
here.
have
Good
you.
to
Glad to be here. Yeah, you got to speak up a little bit. We live. It's Saturday morning. I know. What are you doing out here? Doing your thing here.
Super Bowl Sunday.
Super Bowl Sunday. Oh, you
Bowl
know me
Sunday.
doing it a little bit. Okay. Get a little betting in, doing a little things.
Exactly.
There's only one spot to do that, and that's here in Las Vegas, my friends. So you were in Planet 13. What are your first thoughts about the planet? You like it in there?
Yeah, I like it. It's state of the art. It's up to date. It has all the latest amenities that you want.
Everything.
Go in there and get you some flowers, get you some bud, get you whatever it is that you're into, and eat, get something to drink. Yeah, there's everything in there.
Everything.
Nice restaurant. Yeah, 24 different types of beer.
Oh, okay.
You know,
All
get your munchies on you. You know, whatever. It's really nice. It's well put together, well backed. You can definitely see the money that it takes to you know, put something like this together. And if you don't have the money to put it together, you know, the results are going to show.
Okay. So you would recommend all the truckers, all of them around North America, that if they come through Nevada, they come through Las Vegas, okay?
Yeah, stop here at Planet 13. Don't partake because it's against the rules and regulations of driving with your CDL. But, you know, definitely there's investment opportunities here. That's what I am. I'm a strictly an investor. Don't use, don't smoke, don't do none of that. All I do is, you know, try to invest in it, get my money that way.
Good for you. Hey, I wanted to ask you though. Now you know that there's a lot of young, kind of inexperienced. Let's tell it like it is, because I've talked to my subscribers about that. I've told them the difference between those individuals back in the .coms, those CEOs, those presidents of those companies, relatively speaking, compared to those of today. There's a big difference. I'm old school, and I know you're younger school, but these guys today, are they cutting the mustard? Tell my subscribers really what you think about some of these presidents and tell them, D-Money.
The problem is, a lot of these CEOs, a lot of these presidents of the marijuana companies, they don't have, you know, the understanding, they don't have the education, they don't have the experience to run a company. You know, most of them, you know, a lot of them, I ain't gonna say most of them, but a lot of them, you know, the trust fund babies, they've been, you know, got in this position by being in the right place at the right time.
They mamas and daddies.
Exactly.
Is that what you're saying, D-Money?
Basically, that's what I'm saying.
That's what you're saying?
That's what I'm
Are
saying.
you putting it out there like that?
I'm putting it out there like that, yeah.
That they mamas and daddies and all that got money, so they able to
front. For a while.
Is that,
And then the rubber meets the road.
The scoop, this is, should I do a disclaimer? This is a scoop, this is D-Money's opinion. This is not the scoop. This is not the scoop's opinion. So is that why you're saying some of these companies are kind of going into the shaky?
Absolutely, you got to do your research. Management
is shaky.
It starts from the bottom, from the top, and works its way down.
Wait, now what happens if a CEO or president or something? What happens is mama and daddy got a lot of money, and when he get in trouble, they just give him more money. What is in the long run?
It can only last for so long.
It gonna last for so long, huh?
You're gonna see your stock start to drop.
Go drop down.
You know, it's all about quality. You want to go with someone that's experienced, someone that's ran Fortune 500 companies before. You want someone that knows what they're doing, not somebody that just graduated high school and been in their parents' basement getting high all day, smoking bud. All of a sudden, no, you know what? I think I can run this company. Run it to the dirt.
Basically, I think that's coming from D-Money. That's not the opinion of the scoop. Now, we already know there's a lot of companies out there going to zero because we've talked about them, and I've talked about them for a long time, my friends. There's a lot of companies out there going to zero. You know that too, D-Money, and this is not one of them, though. Would you say? Planet 13 is well run. But what about that other one over there that you say you took a look at, that MedMen? That's a little shady, yeah?
It speaks for itself.
Yeah.
You know, when your CEO is young and out buying houses and cars.
You know about them, huh? You done seen the pictures
money
too.
That he doesn't have.
You've done your research.
Absolutely. You know, he's trading in the stocks, and that's making the value go down. So there it is.
There it is.
That's why you got to do your research.
Do I need to say any more? This is Scoop Subscriber. This is the man off the street. This is the truck driver D-Money that I've been talking about for a while. him and a lot of other investors and a lot of other, they know the game. You got to do the research. D-Money. I know you have a copy of Make Money Online.
I have
Cannabis
a copy.
stocks.
I've read it before.
I know you
Read
got
it several
that.
times.
So there you go. And the companies in there, you keep them on your watch list, right?
Right. Yeah. Yeah. Hit the little alert button.
I don't-
So when they do something, you get the alert. You can jump on it, fast, quick, and in a hurry.
On a Saturday morning, did you think you were going to get this? D-Money in the house, baby. Thank you for your time, bro.
Good seeing you.
I appreciate it. Good seeing you
Take care.
too. Take it easy. All right, the scoop. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. We've had, this is Planet 13. You never know what you're going to run across Planet 13. Even on a weekend when, it's early, on a weekend when some stock companies are firing their CEOs, like MedMen, getting rid of their CEOs, and the stock is doing well, my friends. We've got gold going up, blockchain going up, my friend. We got the coronavirus erupting. We don't know what's going to happen. People are selling their stocks. We don't know what's going to happen, my friends. But in the midst of all this, we're going to have what they call a Super Bowl in America. It's going to be great, my friends. My friends, Josh book, Make Money on Sports, Bet to Win. Hey, it's out there right now. If you need a free copy, just let me know, my friends. Just let me know. With that said, love you. God bless you. Take care of yourself. I'll leave some links for you for the books, my friends. Take care. And this is beautiful Planet 13. Take care of yourself. Love you. God bless you. Take care.